Hello everyone. Okay, we're almost done the week of BOGOs and today is buy Neroli and get not one, but 2 essential oils for free. So that is lime and spearmint. So let's start with Neroli. This is a beautiful floral oil. And what I love about this oil is it comes from the bitter orange tree. So it's not super fragrant and it's not super florally feminine smelling. It is very lovely and it's very light, and I love using it just as perfume and on the go. So this oil is very special. It is great for supporting overwhelmed feelings, stressful thoughts, and anxious feelings. So I like rolling it just on the back of my neck or along my pulse points. As well, if you watched my crash course, I kind of talked a little bit about adrenal health in there. But this is a great oil to support your adrenals and help harmonize your cortisol levels if they're going out of whack. Cool, right? Also, in a quick pinch, it is great for your underarms. It can be a great deodorizer and just get you on your way. I personally like just putting it under my underarms before I go out because, again, you smell fresh and clean and super invigorating. So what's also cool about most floral oils, it is amazing for skin. So any of those, trouble areas, you roll it onto your skin before you go to sleep. These 2 oils are a match made in heaven. Lime is zesty and fresh and uplifting and energizing. It is the oil for the zest of life for a reason, because it just pumps you up with all things amazing. Both these oils actually sit in my kitchen. I cook a lot with my lime essential oil, so everything, a lot of cocktails to be honest, from throwing a drop in Corona to making fresh margaritas and throwing a couple drops in there, some micheladas, or even gin and tonic. I like just throwing a drop in there. Now, if you don't drink, a great tip is if you have some sparkling water, just throw a drop in there. It is a great sugar-free alternative and everything tastes delicious. Finally, that brings us spearmint. So I actually love cooking with this oil because it's not as invigorating as peppermint. It gives that nice subtle flavor and almost that hint of sweetness. So throwing in brownies, throwing in a cup of coffee, as well mixing in those delicious cocktails as well, it is a winner. Diffusing these 2 during the day is epic. It gets you super charged up and give you lots of energy. Spearmint is very similar to peppermint, so if you have things like aches and pains, a little bit of overwhelming head tension, a little bit of tummy aches, it's great to apply topically that way, and it's not as invigorating or as intense as peppermint, so this is great for little ones or people with sensitive skin. I hope you guys have enjoyed this week so far and are learning lots of quick tips and tricks about these amazing essential oils. Bye for now.